mods ng car ngayon is Huracan with turbo kit, and ang target natin for today is makapasok ng 8 seconds.
Tinakbo namin yung Speedworks Limit Zero Lamborghini Huracan, Philippines fastest street car.
Competition cars.
Good afternoon. Nandito tayo sa Motul Drag Racing. Nag-drive tayo kaninang umaga dito gamit itong Huracan, and ang target natin for today is makapasok ng 8 seconds. So, pagdating natin, nagpalit lang tayo ng gulong. Tapos, nag-run tayo, first run. Malayo pa tayo sa 8 seconds. So, medyo adjust konti, and then mods ng car ngayon is Huracan with turbo kit from CFI Designs. Tapos all parts are from Limit Zero, at this is a project with Speedworks and Limit Zero. So ito yung ano natin, intercooler water reserve. So it's an air-to-water intercooler. Yan yung tank, and we have heat exchangers in front para lumamig yung tubig ng air-to-water system. Dito makikita natin yung turbo kit. The yellow thing dito is the intercooler. Yung turbo nandito sa baba, dalawa, 2 intercoolers, and yan lang yung makikita na aftermarket dyan. Pero stock engine tayo and belt transmission. So on the third run, nakakuha na tayo ng 8 seconds natin, 8.95 I think. So after qualifying, nag-karera na. Fortunately, nakakuha rin tayo ng first and second. Ang second place is yung GTR ni Mark Sipeng, customer din natin, Speedworks also. First and second sa novelty class. I think medyo mission accomplished naman tayo today since ang target is makapasok sa 8 seconds and naging bonus na lang is nanalo tayo ng champion sa novelty class for today.
Oh, good afternoon guys. This is Leo from Speedworks Engineering. So yun, nandito tayo sa drag race ngayon. Siyempre, para safe ang testing ng kotse, diyan, nagte-testing tayo sa controlled environment. Tinakbo namin yung Speedworks Limit Zero Lamborghini Huracan, shooting for 8 seconds. So, mabot naman tayo, 8.9 seconds. Philippines fastest street car. So, street car kasi may aircon, nakarehistro, hindi na drive papunta and pauwi. Ang mods niya is Turbo Kit, Chef Trans na Stage 6, and Motec M1 na tuned by us. And lahat ng mods kami nag-install. So gusto natin kasi mapakita na parang yung langis na nasa US, nandito naman. So ganun din yung kaya nating ma-achieve na performance dito sa Pilipinas. So yan, as you can see, ito yung nasa car show siya last year using Amsoil. So, yun din ang gamit namin na oil this time.
So that sums up our day. Thank you very much sa sponsor namin ng lubricants, Amsoil. Nag-sponsor sa amin simula nung motor show sa SMX last year.